What?
Okay. Hey happy campers, it is Savannah with Cookeville RV and Marine, and today we're going to be taking an inside and outside look at this 2024 Grand Design Imagine AIM 16ML. But before we get started, make sure you like this video, subscribe to our channel, make sure you head on over to TikTok, follow us there as well. Now, let's get started. On your entertainment side, you do have one entryway that goes right inside of your Imagine. We do have an awning over here. This awning starts at the other side of your door and goes all the way down to the end of your camper. You do have an LED strip that spans that whole way as well. So if it's a little dark outside and you want to brighten things up, you can easily do that. On this one, it does not have indoor-outdoor speaker system, but don't worry, you can easily bring a Bluetooth speaker along to the campground with you and you can still listen to your music very easily. Also on this outdoor side, we do have a griddle over here. So this just pops right up, and this it does easily pull out so you can make some burgers, hot dogs, other items right outside while you're at the campground. Now, let's check out the storage. In the front of your Imagine, you do have this massive pass-through storage space. This is perfect to put all of your outdoor stuff in. They've even given you a nice, easy to clean floor in here. So if things do get dirty from being outside, you can easily wipe this area down. It also does have a little bit of grip down here. So if you're traveling down the road, all of your stuff is going to stay in place very easily. We also do have an LED strip spanning the whole entire length of this storage space. So if it's nighttime, you're going to be able to see in here very well. Also over on that side, you do have your convenience bay that has your battery disconnect and all the other hookups you're going to need while you're at the campground. Now, let's check out the inside. When you first walk in, over to the left, you do have your control panel. This is where you control all of your awnings and your lights. A cool thing about this Imagine is they have done upgraded lighting in here. So as you can see, they have this new seamless strip LED lighting. These LED lights are over the seams in this camper, so it kind of just puts everything more together, makes it feel just a lot more cleaner in here, which I really do like. Over here is your main light switch for those LED strips. So that turns all of your lights on and off, and it does have a dimmer switch. Also over here, we do have some hooks right here. So if you want to hang some backpacks, maybe some coats or other small items right here, you can do that. Also over here to my right, they have a couple more hooks. This is more so for your rain jackets and stuff like that, but you can hang up keys, whatever you might like. Now, let's check out where you're going to be sleeping. Over here is your queen size bed, and there is lots of storage over in this area. We do have overhead storage, perfect for all your bags or other items. And over to my left-hand side right here, we do have kind of a little closet area. So that opens up and has a hanging rod in there for your clothes that you want a little bit more nicer hung up and not folded. We also have a couple drawers over here, perfect for other items. They've even given you, looks like a little sheet set. Oh, yep, fitted sheet, very nice. Okay, also in this bed area over here is a little cubby hole, and it does have some electrical outlets and a USB and USB-C port. So you can plug in some of your items like your phone, CPAP machine, or other things in there. Now, let's check out your living space. Before I show you guys the living room, I forgot one thing. We do have some little storage spaces underneath your bed. So I'm gonna open these up so y'all can get a better look. This one is kind of like a shoe storage area, so you can put all of your stuff in here and get it out of the way. These ones are more of like cubby hole areas, drawer, or cabinets in there, so you can stuff other things in there. If you want more storage, you have plenty down here. Also over there, they have given you an electrical outlet and a USB and USB-C port. So if you can't reach over there and get one in there, you have one over here too. Now, let's check out that living space. Over here, we do have a lovely rollover sofa. This is perfect for you to watch TV at, or if you have a couple of extra guests hanging out at the campground with you, this does roll over into another sleeping space. Also, we do have a little bit more storage over here. We have some nice sized drawers underneath here, so your extra guests do have a place to put their bags at. Also over here, we do have another USB and USB-C port, perfect for charging station for phones, iPads, and other things. And also this can be used as kind of a little dining area because they have given you a foldable table, so you can set that table up right here, eat a meal, and watch some TV. Now, check out the TV you're going to be watching. Right across from your rollover sofa is your entertainment space. So you do have a TV right here, and this TV is actually on a swivel, so you can watch it from your couch or your little bedroom area over here. You can move that so everybody can get a good view of that TV. Underneath there, we do have a good open countertop space. This is perfect to set maybe a coffee machine, or if you want to have a buffet style dinner, you can set multiple plates up here. Another cool thing about this unit, they have given you a wireless charging pad right here, so you can set your phone on top of that. And there is a USB port right on the side of it, so you can charge multiple items from right there. Underneath here, we do have some large drawers, perfect to store kitchen items, maybe some coffee pods, other things like that. Moving on into our kitchen area, we have plenty of storage up here, enough for your plates, cups, and if you want to put some food up here, there's places for that as well. Down here, we have our 2-burner stovetop. Underneath, we have our convection microwave. So this actually is a microwave and an oven right here, so you can cook all of your items in that. Underneath, we have this large door right here. It is a little bit shallow, but you could put a couple pots and pans in there. I would say it's roomy enough for that. Over here we do have more countertop space, and right here is your sink. So right now we have this laying down, so if you did want to store some things on top of that, you could, or it pops up and you do have your sink right there, and a little bit more storage under there. That is a little bit smaller, but you could definitely put cleaning supplies and other things in there. Now let's check out our fridge. Across from your kitchen area is your refrigerator. This opens up and gives you plenty of room for all of your groceries. And underneath this is our freezer door. So if you want to bring some ice cream or popsicles or other frozen items to the campground, you have plenty of space for that too. Up above is what I would call our pantry area. So this opens up and you have lots of room in there, enough to put plenty of groceries. Maybe you have those cute little aesthetic holders and stuff you want to put in there. You have room for that. Now, let's check out the bathroom. Our bathroom is in the back of our camper, and let's check this out. Back here, we do have our step to flush toilet. Over here, we have our sink area, and they've even given you this nice little hanging rack for your towels. Up here, we do have our medicine cabinets with storage inside of them. That's actually really deep back there, so you do have plenty of space to put toiletries, towels, other things in there. They've also given you a couple little hooks on this side to hang robes or towels or other items. We do have a window in here, and over here we have our shower. Plenty of head height in here, even a skylight, so you have a little bit of natural lighting in here. We have shelves for our soaps and shampoos, a removable shower head, and we even have a squeegee door. So this moves and squeegees all that water inside of the shower, so it's not getting in your floor, because we would hate that. If you're interested in this Imagine or any other unit in our Grand Design line, make sure you give us a call or visit us at cookevilleRV.com, where your adventure awaits.